What is the most important thing to get a good job? Do you know that? Yes, the answer is English speaking skill. Because nowadays it's very important to know English speaking skill. If you know how to speak in English fluently, so you can easily get a good job, you can easily settle in a abroad, you can maintain your status, you can develop your personality. So there are many benefit of this one single ability, I mean to say skill. So there are so many people, they really want to enhance their English fluency because they know what are the benefit of this skill, but they don't know how to work on it, how to learn this skill. Actually they have a desire, but they don't know how to work on it. So don't worry friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you some methods, and all the methods are going to help you to enhance your English fluency. Yes, Yaram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you some methods, and all the methods are going to help you to enhance your English fluency. Not only your English fluency, but also it will develop your personality. Okay, you will know some vocabulary, you will know some grammar rules, you will know how to get a job, how to give interview in a perfect way, how to clear our exam. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Now the topic is that, ma'am, how to enhance our English fluency. Fluency means whatever you are thinking, just try to speak out. That is called fluency. Now, but it is a different language, it is a secondary language. So how to start thinking English, how to speak in English fluently? I know I understand every single words in English, I can read in English, I can write in English, I understand every single words in English, but when it comes to speak, so I hesitate, I fumble. Why it is happening with me? Don't worry friends, it is not happening with you. Actually, we have not practiced in speaking terms, so that's why it is happening. This is the simple rule. If you have not practiced, then how can you speak? Think about when you were child, how did you learn your native language? How did you learn? At that time you were going any college or institute? No, you were not. So how did you learn your native language? You learned your native language because you observe a lot. You think a lot, observe a lot, and then when you were the age of 3 or 4, so you started to copy all the thing that you have observed by your mother, father, sister, brother. You listened so much, then you started to copy them. So in this way you learned your native language, and at that time you had not developed any kind of ego. So when someone, you know taunting you, so you were not ashamed. But nowadays you have developed your own ego, and you are thinking like, okay, what if I will speak in English, so people will laugh at my English? What if I will forget some words in English? What if I will not complete my sentence in English, so people will laugh at my English, people will mock of my English? You are thinking like this, and because of this mentality you are not, you know able to speak in English fluently. This is the thing, not having practice. No, because you are thinking a lot of by others advice, by others thinking. So you need to just think about, you are a child, you are a kid, and if somebody laugh at your English, so you are not going to worry about it, you are not going to think about the others taunting. Then you will easily learn this language. Okay, so this is the main thing that you have to fix in your mind. Okay, now let's move on some methods. This is the mentality. First you need to change your mentality. Okay, then you have to work on it, how to start learning this language. Now I'm going to give you some explanation. Actually, English is a language just like other language, not more than. So just keep that in your mind, that English is only a language, not more than. Okay, and every language there are four aspects like LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, and we understand every single words in English, we can write in English, we can read in English. So we are perfect two aspects like listening and reading. So listening and reading, two aspects are okay. Input, because we are consuming a content, we are consuming a lot by listening or reading. Okay, now writing and speaking, these are two aspects that is called output. Okay, we are consuming a lot by listening and reading, but we are not giving our output by writing or speaking. So because of this thing, we are not able to speak in English fluency. This is a simple rule. Now, so how to enhance our English fluency? We have to work on these two aspects like writing or speaking. How to work on it? For this, you need to work on it first. I mean to say, listening or reading. Take any audio or video. Any audio video should be your interest. Okay, and audio video should be very short, not more lengthy. And listen that audio or video minimum 10 times. Why I'm saying here 10 times? Because first time, second time, third time, only meanings come to you. But if you listen the same content, same audio or video minimum 10 times, so long language will come to you, and it will fix in your memory, it will convert in your memory. Okay, because there is a head top, not a desktop, not a laptop. Here is a head top, and there is so many space like minimum is maximum space, infinite space. You need to just save this file like English listening file here. Okay, choose any content as any audio video, and listen that audio video minimum 10 times till it becomes a part of your memory. Okay, now this is the first aspect that we are working on it. Okay, this is the second aspect, that is reading. Okay, read any book. I can say that here that okay, school nursery book or lower class English book is good for you if you are a beginner, because their English is very simple and easy. You can easily understand every single words. So use lower class English book. Okay, and read one para, one story, short story, but read the same content, same para minimum 10 times. Why I'm saying every time, many times, because repetition is very important. Repetition is very important, and every language learned by the repetition, believe me. So if you read on the passage that you have chosen and minimum 10 times, so learn, it will it will convert into the memory. When you read the same content minimum 10 times, so till it becomes a part of your memory. So read the same content till it becomes a part of your memory. Now, listening and reading, these are two aspects that you are still working. We are listening so many content, but we are not giving our output. So these are two aspects that we have to work on it. So first, listen, read. Okay, now the main thing is that here giving our output. Whatever you have listened, whatever you have read, try to write the same content in your own words. Try to write, because you have listened and you have read content minimum 10 times. Now you have a so much thing here. Try to find out some vocabulary, try to find out some sentences that you have listened, that you have read, but write in your own words. So here your brain will working. Okay, here your brain started to thinking whatever you have listened, whatever you have read. Right. Okay, I know you have listened a lot, you have read a lot, but here when it comes to write, there is very short. Why? Because we are learning, so initially time it happens. Don't worry about it. Whatever sentence, whatever words comes in your mind that you have listened, write down. Okay, but in your own words. Now let's move on. And this aspect that is called speaking, and that is very important. So for this you need to speak out. Okay, and you just need to find out any place and there where nobody comes generally, and stand in front of the mirror and try to speak out whatever you have listened, whatever you have read. Okay, try to speak out loud, in a loud way. When you speak out loud, so your jaw muscles, your mouth muscles will be working at that time. And here four aspects are covering, like listening, reading, writing, or speaking. Also your thinking power, okay, is using. Okay, now there are all the things that is very important to enhance our any language. So we are using all the things. Initially time it's very difficult for you, because when you try to speaking in English, when you are trying to speak in English in front of the mirror, so your your minds, your body wants to come back in your native language, but don't do that. I mean, what is the meaning of doing this whole thing? Okay, just you have to finish your speech. Don't worry about the sentences, don't worry about the words. Okay, don't worry all the grammar rules. You have to just finish your sentence, finish your speech. Okay, initially time you have to work on it very carefully, because your mind know you have to deliver your speech. When you are listening any content, so your minds know, okay, I have to deliver this speech in your own words. So at that time your mind will be attentively listening. Okay, so you need to just follow all the things that I have shared with you. Believe me, this is the best way to enhance your English fluency, because without practice, without hard work, you can't learn this language. This is the same like, okay, if you want to drive a car, and you know all the thing. Okay, this is the accelerator, this is the clutch, this is the brake. And can you drive a car if you know all the things about the car? So if you know all the, I mean to say, theory about the car, okay, this is the brake. When somebody comes, so you need to push this leg in this particular place. Okay, can you drive? No, you cannot. You can drive a car while driving. Okay, while driving, while you are facing some circumstances, while you are facing some situation, then your mind start, okay, I have to push this leg into this place when somebody comes in my vehicle. Okay, so this is the same way of speaking, learning this skill. And you have to just speaking in English in, okay, initially time there it is very easy, very natural if you are making mistakes. But believe me, after some times, after some months, you will feel, okay, it's a very easy language. I can easily speak in English in front of the public. Okay, because there is no any tablet that I will give you and say that, okay, swallow it one morning, one evening, and your problem solved. There is no any tablet. There is only one tablet, that is hard working. You need to just work on it. You need to just practice in English. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.